How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Cool. I'm good, hon.
Good.
So you used to come
Yes.
and life happened.
Yes.
And now
we're back.
Tell me what issues you've had with your hair.
Retaining length.
Right.
A lot of shredding.
Okay.
And it's just not even.
Right.
And now I've started having my hair curly more.
Okay, nice.
But I don't know how to
manage it,
maintain it, keeping it.
Right.
Because it's like for the past 7 months. So recently, my dad passed. Sorry. And I've noticed, I've noticed my hair, like my stress comes out in my hair. So I think all of that was just, my hair's just, I wash it, condition it, treat it.
When did it pass?
January.
So sometimes it takes about 3 months for it to kick into our body. And then if we haven't fully processed, it can, take its toll.
It's starting to show in my hair. So the only time my hair, I feel looks decent is when it's wet. In its curly state.
Right.
And then, but I can't maintain it in the curly state because I prefer it, that kind of wet look curly.
Right.
Because I don't know how to
We can
use
do
the
that
curl.
with you. We've got products we can test out on you.
Yes, I don't know what products to use because I would love to stay curly.
Yeah.
But I also like to stay straight as well.
You want to have an option of doing both,
right?
And
I don't want to damage my hair while straightening
it out and then you'll mess up your curl and then that vicious cycle.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your scalp?
Scalp is fine.
Right.
But it's literally the shredding I'm having issues with and retaining length.
Right.
And it's just growing
uneven. When was your last trim?
I went away June, so I think my last trim was in May.
Okay, that's not too far off.
May.
Okay, and before that, it's been consistent?
Not as consistent, right. I've not been very consistent with the trims.
Okay.
But tell a lie. I had one in May and then I'd done one before I went away, just take off the dead ends because I was going on holiday.
Nice.
And then I left my hair curly, so I just kept on washing it and wetting it. And I just left it.
And it's fine on holiday, right? It's when your hair in the humidity.
When I'm here, it's literally, I just got to slick it back in one. It's like I'm putting all these products on it, making it heavy.
Yeah.
And I can't manage it. I'm just slipping it back in one and I don't want to
ruin your edges too.
Anything.
Okay.
And I've noticed in the back.
Right, you've got a bit of breakage at the back.
Because I'm
putting it up in one.
Hairband. And I prefer my hair out.
Okay. So would you like to set your curls today?
Not today.
No worries. That's fine.
Today.
That's fine. When you're ready, let us know. So what we'll do is we'll use the range of products that we have.
Yeah.
Test it out on your hair. You go out in the humidity, see if it works for you. And if you find it's not working for you, then we'll test another bunch of products on you. But when you're ready, we can do that. What was your hair like when you was having treatments with us before?
I remember when I first come, we used to do, the treatment, blow dry, trim and press.
Yes.
And it grew. It was growing
evenly.
Yeah. And then it got to a really nice, length.
Yeah.
And then obviously life happened.
Yeah.
And then I carried on with how I would do, 'cause I used to come here every month. I used to book it as I left. And my sister's you always here. I listen. But,
thank you.
It's okay. Yeah. And then the thickness came back. There was no shredding.
Right.
And then it's only the last year I'm noticing a lot of shredding. I think it could have been because of the protective hairstyling I was doing.
It's a number of things.
It was. And then because I know stress as well, it always comes out in my hair.
It comes out in your hair. Cool. Okay. So that's a big indicator. Right.
And then it's the products as well.
What are you using?
I was using Shea Moisturizer.
Okay.
But then I noticed it made my hair very limp. Then I stopped using that and gone back to what I used to use. I think it's Cantu.
Nice, okay.
And then it's given me that when I wash it, it feels amazing.
And then
it's
it
the minute I blow
really
dry
quickly.
it.
Yeah.
It's
They're not concentrated enough.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
No,
Whatever
it's okay.
you used before, it was just my
we
hair
still
didn't
use
feel
most of it.
Heavy.
Yeah. And it felt light, but it was full, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, we're gonna get you back there. How's your scalp?
Good.
Yeah.
My scalp
okay.
is fine.
Scalp is good.
Yeah.
So you remember how we work? We do the treatments, hair care. Today you're going to do moisture and protein. Then we'll put you under the steamer for 30 minutes, blow dry and trim only, no styling today.
That's fine.
And then come back in 2 weeks, have a top up treatment. Then 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. So we stretch it out each time.
Okay.
I think you was every month because that's what worked for you.
Yeah.
But if you find that you can stretch it to 6 weeks, then by all means you can do.
Yeah.
Sounds like life has has happened, a bereavement, not so good products, and just overall you haven't been caring for it professionally as well as home care.
No, I've gotten really lazy with it.
That's all right. That's all right. Things happen. But because you know what hair care does, it is the consistency of those treatments that will keep your hair at a certain point. Our cost is £95 for our maintenance and 110 for the combination. So those are the two treatments we work with. Today you're having a combo. And when you come back, if your hair's been fine, less shedding, more hydration, just easier to manage, it will be a maintenance. So we'll maintain that feeling with your maintenance treatment. Your trims will happen as and when you need them. You know how it is. But we're doing this for the camera.
That's fine.
You've been here. But your trims will happen as and when you need them. But usually like every 3 months, we'll say your trim will probably be necessary. And you would feel that your ends are misbehaving. When you feel comfortable to set your curls, just let us know after the blow dry. Actually, I feel like we're in my curls today. And then we'll get our products. You would know that our products are worked when you got home and there's no frizz. Or about a few days you've actually got no frizz, and then by then if you find it works for you, then we could say this is how we used it, this is what to use, and then you go on that way rather than you buying stuff and kind of doing guesswork.
Because the end goal is I really want to colour my hair, but I'm so scared of putting the colour on, so I don't want to break it.
Cool.
So
well, let's get it right
to a good state where I can eventually put colour on.
Cool. Do you know what colour you want to do?
More like a ginger ashy blonde.
Cool, nice.
So hopefully by next summer I can...
you can go ahead and do that colour. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I'm okay.
Cool.
I'm all right.
No,
I'm ready for the journey.
Yeah, I'm excited to do it again.
Yes.
Because we can.
Yes, and this time now I've got greys now. I've got the greys.
We're going to colour that next year. So it's all good.